everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's me, Khushi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another project. So this is the contact manager project. So let's see how it works. So we need to so you're working on an app which is named as a contact manager, and you have created the contact object constructor, which has two arguments, which is name and number, which is already done for us if you can see over here. So you need name and number, and you have to add a print named function, which we have to do. And that is going to, print the data that is name and number. And the name and number should be printed in this format where name, then we have colon, then we have a space, and then we have the given number. So in the given code, we have two names and two numbers, which we have to print using the print function. So let's just start. We have to do it in the middle. So we have function space print. And then we have this. Then we're going to have dot log. And we're going to have this dot name. And we are going to add over here, we're going to add over here a colon and a space. And then we're going to add the number. So we have this dot number. So that's how it's going to be. Now let's just run and check if this works. So yeah, that's the test case. And we have the numbers and the names given in the same format. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and press the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.